Hello, and thank you for watching our video. Today I'll be unboxing a very exciting product that I care a lot about. The Chairman Renaissance Collection Microlab B77BT speakers. Let's have a look inside the box. User manual. Nice packaging. They're heavy. Box down. The unveiling. Can I get a drum roll, please? Ta-da! Ta-da! Sweet! These are active powered bookshelf speakers, and they claim to have high quality crystal sound, which we'll find out soon. My fingers. That's what I make razor knives for. Ta-da! They're universal speakers that can be used for home stereo, PC, gaming, all multimedia applications. Let's have a look at the back. This side cooler, offers treble and bass controls on the system. Obviously the on-off power, and this is 2 RCA input plugs or S-series plug. The volume control is located in the front, right there. It's also an indicator for Bluetooth connection. A light LED will light up in this panel right here. So they come as a pair, obviously, and one powers the other with the amplifier. We'll take a break real quick, and I'll come back and crank them up and see how they sound. Okay, we're back. I took the liberty to go ahead and connect to my broken phone. I'll just tell you how to do it real quick. You go into your Bluetooth settings and do a search for the Chairman. It should pop up in your settings, and obviously connect, and then go to your music of choice and turn it on. Make sure your volume control in the front is down before you crank it on and blow your ears out, and simply play music. Like I said, in the back you can adjust treble and bass. Overall, I think this set of speakers has amazing sound. As opposed to heavy metal, I like to test speakers with a little bit of classical Beethoven. So in my opinion overall on these two speakers, they're beautifully made and they have great sound, and I'm very pleased. Thank you for watching this video, and we welcome any comments.